Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Umar Hassan. In this video I can tell you about how to maintain your daily ledger. This is a daily ledger for use for small purpose or daily cash expenses. You can download this Excel sheet. I provided you this Excel sheet link in my video description. You can download and use it. You can see I can write here first of all change text blue cells only. You cannot change it and other cells. You can change it only blue cells. First of all you can write your year. For example, this is my year 2020. I can write here 2020. And second thing is you can see this is accounts. This software have only cash expenses software, not for bank payments. Okay, this is only cash payment. These accounts have two types: cash receive and cash payment. Third thing is expense categories. You cannot change cash receipt from. You can only change it on blue cells. For example, this is office mess expense. Second is miscellaneous. Third is site expense. Etc. This expense categories have 120 accounts head. You can see January, February, March, April to December. Next thing is balance in hand oblique previous balance. For example, this software year is 2020. Now 10 or 15 days after 2021 is year is coming. You have 2020 software balance is 2 lakhs. You can type here. Now you can write here 2021. You can create a copy of this software. You can write old previous data. You can save it and copy it. You can copy your account head. You can only copy and paste your new sheet. Okay, then you can click on for the month of January. You can see right here. You can go to end of this side. Write your company name here, daily cash expenses. Okay, you can see every sheet. Write your company name here, daily cash expenses, February, March, April. Every sheet is shown and you can see I can click on March. You can see March 2021, February 21 and December till December 2021. When I can click on year 2020, you can see all sheet changed 2020. Okay, and you can see previous balance is now show as 2 lakhs in the month of January. To you can see at end of sheet 2020 for the month of December is shown as 2 lakhs. I am starting for the month of January. Month is December. I can type here some expenses. You cannot write first line, you can use second line. Today date is 18-12-20. You can write your type. I can click on small tooltip, and you can see first of all I expense cash payment, and you cannot write check number because you cannot receive or any check payment. Okay, then I can click on category office mess expenses. Office mess expenses. You can write your expense, for example purchase vegetable, etc. You can write here. Then you can write here in expense. I have expense of office mat 3000. Yeah, 3009 rupees. I can write here. You can see balance is detect from 2 lakhs is now current balance is 1 lakh 96,991 rupees. You can see cannot write here cash receiving. Cash receiving is empty. Expense pay on 3009. You can, and other expense summary is 0. Now you can go to end. You can see here total expenses is 3009 rupees. Net balance is 1 lakh 96,991 rupees. Balance in hand or oblique previous balance. Previous balance is shown as your cash in hand oblique previous balance. You can see here this is your previous balance, or you can see this is November sheet. Previous balance is 2 lakhs. Now December balance is 2 lakhs. Then you can type your all expense. You can see YTD. YTD is your total year expenses. Okay, you can see this is your cash in hand or cash receiving is empty. Office match expense is 3009 total in all of month. Now I can write how to receive cash received from bank. I can write here and receive cash from bank. I can type bank number or check number. Now I can select from cash received from. Cash received from bank ABC. Okay, now I can receive 50,000. You can see added 2,46,991. You can see receive cash received from 50,000 in added in summary of cash receiving. Now I can change 1 lakh. Now you can see receiving is cash receiving is changed 1 lakh. You can add your all expense. This is general simple cash software you can use for general daily cash expenses. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.